Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you find Facebook page ID in Meta Business Suite. So guys, to find it you cannot find it in your page, so you need to go to your Meta Business Suite. So let's just hop into Meta Business Suite. Also you can go to the URL, which is business.facebook.com. Now from here you can click on your settings, and after clicking your settings, here you can see in the left side business assets. Click on it, and after clicking business assets you need to select your Facebook page from here. As you can see, I have already selected my Facebook page, and after that here you can see the Facebook page ID. You can just copy it from here, and after clicking copy you can get the Facebook page ID from your Meta Business Suite. So guys, yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.